This demo will show you how to perform a quick sale. A quick sale is when a customer comes in, whether a prior customer or a new customer, and they just want to buy a part. Okay, so let's see how this is done by starting with clicking on the quick sale button. The first step is to do a customer lookup. Even if the customer doesn't exist, we perform a customer lookup. I'm actually going to look up myself because I know I exist. Since we clicked the quick sale button, notice that the default is already a quick sale. I'm ready for my customer lookup, so I'll click submit. RepairTRAX found me, so I'll just click on my name. To be social with the customer, I'll ask them for their state and zip just to enhance their record. Welcome to the quick sale ticket. Notice that the only part that's there is the customer information, and you're now ready to add parts to the ticket, so let's do that. Let's assume this customer just wants a disk drive, so I'll type in the keyword drive and look for the part. And then select the part that they want. Notice that I have this part set up with an associated labor cost. However, since I'm just providing them with the drive and not any labor, I'll go ahead and clear out the labor cost. Our part has been added to the ticket and they're ready for a checkout, so I'll just take their money. You now have the option to print out a receipt for your customer, so I might as well click the print button and print it out. To return to the RepairTRAX menu, I just press the back button on the browser and be done with it. Let's see what a quick sale looks like in today's tickets. There it is, in all its glory. To know what the colors mean, you can click on the Color Legend button. The pop-up window shows the different colors for the associated ticket types. Notice that the quick sale is a lavender color. And that's what a quick sale is.